If you remember, Hurricane Ian made landfall on Florida's Gulf Coast. It caused serious damage to homes, businesses, beaches, and infrastructure. Infrastructure, of course, is the physical and organizational structures that we need for the operation of society. Things like roads and bridges and, well, power stations. That story inspired the Builders Club at Independence Middle School to take action, and that action earned them this week's A+ award. Sixth grade teacher Mrs. Koussa explained to us that the Builders Club is the middle school version of the Kiwanis Club, which may be in many of your own communities. The Builders Club decided to do what they could to help Floridians. So many people were suffering, and we wanted to show them we cared, Kaitlyn, a sixth grader, told us. Hailey, another sixth grader, added that we have a lot of connections between our community and some of the communities that were affected. When we visited with the Builders Club, they told us that they came up with a pretty complex plan to help raise money for the victims. Della explained that they sold ocean-themed snacks at lunch, things like gummy fish and tropical-themed drinks. They also hosted a Rebuild the Beach craft party after school. That's where classmates could pay an admission fee and make all sorts of crafts. Kaitlyn told us that they even had to-go boxes for students who couldn't stay after school. What a cool idea, and a way to include everyone. Well, the Builders Club raised nearly $2,000 to donate. They even made sure to research the organization that ended up receiving their donation to make sure all of the money went to those in need. They told us that about 80% of the students at Independence Middle School did participate, and that is impressive. Elle told us that the biggest thing she learned, and what she's most proud of, is that she was able to help people in need. What a powerful lesson. We're keeping our eye out for their next service project, and we'll let you know what they do. This week's A+ award goes to the very deserving members of the Builders Club at Independence Middle School.